How to spot a non-cat person.
Hey, baby, I thought you was Tori. I see you think she playing. Wait a minute now. I got so scared I start talking in the third person. Wait, no, Kevin, don't. All right.
Okay, step 1, you have to touch the belly and then you have to pet the cat. From there, you immediately have to start patting. Pat until the cat turns around to bite you, and then push it over. This disables the kill drive. And once those steps are completed, you are free to belly rub. I have tested this on every cat, including your cat. You're welcome.
Yeah, that's his leash. Oh, yeah, that's his leash. Do you wanna walk him?
Whoa! Whoa!
Alright, they're off.
Oh, wow!
Oh.
So these two tried to kill me this morning, and I thought, damn, I'm so proud because I raised 2 cats that are so thick, they got so much dump in their truck that they could actually suffocate a whole human. Here's a lemon.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
I think she's mad I woke up late, and her food is delayed.
يا جماعة الخير هدوا، الحياة مش مستاهلة. طول بالك، خليك انت العاقل. معلش.
Things in my house that are in desperate need of attention. Me.
I know something you don't. I know something you will never know.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog. Look at my. Woman, tell me what to do. Wee.
Снежный кот, иди сюда. Греби, греби, греби. Давай. Йося. 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 Йося.
I need food. Who closed the door? Stupid humans.
You're not gonna like it. I promise you. You're not gonna like it. Stop.
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinct.
Oh, hi, Mama. Hey, if you want to play, you need to push the button. Button. Yeah, button. Can you push the button? Well, push it. Push the button right here. Play? Play, right. Yeah.
Bestie, it's Christmas. Wake up! What the hell, dude? I love that our humans brought the outdoors inside for us. That's not what they did. It's like we're jungle cats in the wild.
don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me?